Yeah, it was a really nice tour that we've been guided through. Yeah, it was really nice to see the practice, the work of people living there.
Hi, we are Mathilde Guilhem from France. And we stay in Hoi An, in the Ancient Haven Hotel. Hoi An is a beautiful city with a lot of activities, and we are staying in a beautiful hotel, so it really helps to enjoy your time in Hoi An.
We've seen carpenters carving wood.
But also I really like the wood carve, like to do the work on the wood. It was very nice and very like creative. So it was good. So it's nice. It's nice to discover something new.
It was our first time. It was nice. It was interesting. Yeah, it was fun. It was a little small, but it was very fun. It was really interesting. We've seen
rice
noodle now, rice crepe, and it was really interesting to do the crepe there.
Yeah, in the sauna. Yeah, very hot.
It's very fun.
And, to meet all the people. Very nice.
It was a good chance. It was a good opportunity that we could a little practice every activity, and that we had the time to look the shop, discuss a little bit with the inhabitants.
Nice to discover. Nice.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.